Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica's net international reserves, NIR, is close to US $6 billion, growing by US $36.02 million to stand at US $5.83 billion as at June 30. This is above the US $5.79 billion reported at the end of May 2025. At its present level, the NIR supports approximately 48.57 weeks of goods imports and 30.46 weeks of goods and services imports. The country's foreign exchange reserves are US $650.52 million, or 13% more than the US $5.8 billion held by the Bank of Jamaica at the end of June 2024. Jamaica's foreign assets totaled US $5.86 billion, which is US $23.58 million more than the US $5.8 billion reported in May 2025. The Jamaica Stock Exchange says its decision in 2016 to reject the International Monetary Fund recommendation to scrap the junior market has proven to be the right call. Newly released data from the Jamaica Stock Exchange shows that 41 of the 56 companies listed on the junior market have paid out a total of $24 billion in dividends since the market's inception in October 2009, including $2.4 billion paid out just last year. Despite the junior market index being down nearly 12% since the start of this year, the total market capitalization of the listed company stands at approximately $130 billion, or around 4% of Jamaica's gross domestic product. For the trading period ending July 14, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Logistics firm Cargo Handlers Limited with 112,985,134 units traded, representing 85.41% of market sales volume. Gas station and automotive fuels distributor Regency Petroleum Company Limited with 3,260,912 units traded, representing 2.47% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,799,616 units traded, representing 2.12% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 14, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $47.76 million purchased and US $50.25 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.05 per dollar, selling the US at $161.09 and buying the US at $159.04. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 80 cents per transaction, with selling at $118.27 and buying at $117.47. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.45 in profits, with selling at $219.14 and buying at $212.69. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're a solopreneur looking to scale, your first move isn't always hiring, it's checking your credit. Before you build a team or outsource key tasks, assess your financial foundation. Pull your credit report. Dispute any errors. Pay down high interest debt. Separate personal and business expenses. These are not just good habits, they're strategic steps to position your credit score as a business growth tool. A strong credit profile opens doors to capital, funding, and partnerships that can help you scale without draining your cash. Whether you want to launch a marketing campaign, purchase inventory, or hire your first contractor, your credit score can help you assess the capital to make it happen on your terms, not the bank's. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to resilience, as a professional woman over the age of 45, leaving the corporate world may disrupt the rhythm of steady income. And for many, that shift brings up anxiety, especially if numbers and math have never felt like your strong suit. But rebuilding your financial confidence isn't about crunching spreadsheets. It's about creating rituals that bring you into a deeper, more intuitive relationship with your money. Start by setting aside 15 minutes each week for a money check-in. Light a candle, review your bank balance, and jot down how your spending made you feel. Replace avoidance with awareness. Use a voice memo app to record your financial goals in your own words and track your wins, no matter how small, in a wealth journal. The point is, your money mindset isn't built in a calculator. It's built through consistent, empowering rituals that center you. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.